What's up, people? What's up, people? This is another video I'm making, but guess what? I might put that video with the other video, I ain't put them all yet together. So, I don't know yet, okay? But anyway, I'm putting some salmon. Y'all see that? I got shallot in it, garlic, salt, pepper, and that's it. Okay? So, I love it. Anyway, so, and I'll make a sandwich of it, and I'll put the tomatoes on it, okay? So anyway, y'all know I forget. Rubber City! Yeah! I know y'all hear that echo. Okay? Brief commercial. Yeah, I just put the oil in there. But anyway, there's something I'm gonna do different. It's not what I'm doing is kind of teasing y'all. So I might upload the video tonight. I don't know yet. I'm trying to put things together, but don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Okay? Please don't forget. And share. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You know what I mean, right? Thumbs up is good, thumbs down is bad. And leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Sometimes y'all don't leave a comment, so. But anyway, now, the oil getting hot. And I'm gonna put the fish in right now, okay, in a minute. All right? All right. Beef commercial. All right, y'all. I'm already share it. I already put the salmon in there, okay? If y'all cook any salmon, what you do is put the meat first, okay? Ah, yeah. See that? Y'all hear that sparkling? I knew y'all hear that. Take a poop.
What the actual?
Right here is the skin part. The skin right here, okay? So, I'm not gonna cook too long because that's how it is. So, the salmon is like kind of delicate fish. That's good. So I decided to cook me some salmon. That's all. I have the bread with it too. Like the mayonnaise in there also. Tomorrow is 4th of July. I want all you enjoy yourself and 4th of July and be careful out there. Because people's crazy out there, okay? So, trust me. I know. Because I'm crazy. Big commercial. Alright, I kind of zooming y'all, but let me see. Let me see how it look, okay? Let's see how it look, y'all. There you go. Ooh-wee. Now that is pretty. Yellow basil. That one fine. Matter of fact, okay, hold this up in a few seconds. I want you to look at this. Look at the delicious thing. Okay. All right. Let that fry a little. You don't have to fry them too long, okay? Salmon, I mean, you could eat it, I don't know, raw, but I'm gonna get some tuna pretty soon and do that. But the more we having, I think I'll show y'all in a minute. I'll show y'all. She got chicken wings, hamburger, and beef ribs. So, let that do your thing, and we can brief commercial again. Y'all see that? What I did is I kind of stand up a little, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget the subscribe button, share, and leave a comment. Please do that. Anyway.
Now what is this?
Now,
Oh, Joe.
I'll put them back. Ooh. It should be kind of
What
done
is
now.
that?
Okay. There you go. Oh yeah. Y'all see that? Okay. So this is my plan. I made this way. I made no sandwich again. I'm gonna just some of this my wife fixed last night. Okay. That's noodle of Alfredo. Okay. So, but I will put tomatoes on the side on the plate. All right. Okay. Now, what I'm planning to do right now is give me a plate. Let me show you all this. I'm not cooking that long. See? Y'all see that? Look at this. See how that look? Nice. Now, brief commercial. This how I look right now. See? I don't know why I keep, well, I don't want the cameraman. Okay? See? That look good? All right. What I'm planning to do right now is I'm gonna plate it on a plate. Okay? Brief commercial. Y'all see that? I'm done, y'all. See? I don't know if y'all see that. Like I said, I ain't want a cameraman. That's all. But I had somebody, my grandson, supposed to help me videotape, and I'll pay him. But he act like he don't want to do that. So.
I don't know you.
Y'all see that? That's right there. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Salmon, tomatoes, and parsley. Whatever you call that. This is it, man. I finished. Huh? Y'all like that? Y'all don't forget the subscribe button, man. Please. And I love y'all, man. Please. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please. And leave a comment, man. See what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm the only cameraman. Only cameraman. Okay? So this is my finished project. Okay? So, all right. Love y'all. And I hope y'all gonna enjoy this video. Peace.